Welcome back to Portugal Muse in central Portugal. It's spring here now and the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's like a British summer. It's really warm, blue skies, and it's only going to get nicer and warmer. Last week I planted some seeds and I was really happy with all the comments I got on YouTube giving me some advice. So I'm going to go forward with what I learned from last week today. I went shopping for some more tomato seeds, and you're right, you don't get much in a packet at all. So I'm going to plant these today. But while I was out, I also got some beetroot seeds and I got some artichoke. So I did say I wasn't going to go nuts, but I got quite excited when I went seed shopping in my late 30s. I'm getting as excited about buying seeds as I used to about buying shoes and clothes in my 20s. So I got a bit overexcited. I also wanted to get some butternut squash seeds because I do a lot of sort of cooking with butternut squash. I couldn't find any butternut squash seeds, and someone said in the comments last week that if you can't find the seeds that you want, just get the vegetable and take the seeds out. I've kept the seeds from doing a butternut squash curry, and I got loads of seeds from the butternut squash. So I'm going to have a go at planting those seeds today. Something you said last week was get your compost in your pots ready, water the compost so that the compost's really moist, and then put your seeds in. And once you've put the seeds in, you just want to cover the soil with some sort of water mist. So I've got this, and I'm thinking I can just sort of spray them like this once I've finished. And I guess that's to not move the seeds, like where you place the seeds, to not disturb them too much. So I'll have a go at doing those seeds today and see if they come up better. But I've already got seeds coming up, so the lettuce are coming up really nicely, marigolds, spinach have started to come up, and there's a couple of tomatoes as well. Oh no, they're not tomatoes, aubergines. The aubergines have started to come up as well, so even after 1 week they've started to come up, so it's looking quite promising. Okay, so tomatoes have gone in there, artichokes have gone in there, so I think I'll do beetroot in here. I really like the beetroot seeds. They're like, I don't know, like little cereal clusters. Quite unusual. I think I could probably put 3 in each. So I've got a load of beetroot seeds left over, so I can keep them for next year. Or someone else was saying that you can do sort of crop rotation. So once all these come up, I can put them in the vegetable garden, and then if I've got more room, I can do another batch and put another crop in, and then you sort of get a rotation of vegetables, because the warm seasons are so long now. So if you think you've got 4 seasons, 3 of those seasons in Portugal are times when you can grow vegetables like you would in the summer in the UK. So like I said last week, it's all new to me, but that's something a friend of mine who gardens a lot said. She said do a rotation, and then you've got a rotation crop and they come up at different times. Okay, finally I'm going to go in with my butternut squash seeds. These are straight from the vegetable, and I don't know if anybody knows the difference between getting your seeds from the vegetable itself and getting them from packets. Last week I found your comments really helpful, so if you know the difference between getting the seeds from the vegetable and getting them from the packs, should I prepare them differently, please comment below and let me know. Or if you've got any more gardening tips, please comment and let me know, because they're really helpful.
I'm driving down.
Okay, so there we go. So at the moment we've got aubergines, onions, spring onions, tomatoes, basil. I can't remember. Lettuces. What was there? Marigolds, spinach, courgettes. I have a list. I need to check what was before lettuces. Can't remember. Butternut squashes, beetroot and artichokes. So I'm really happy if any of them come up, to be honest, because I love all of those things. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you posted on the progress. Come on then. Come on. Come on. This is what the vegetable garden looks like at the moment. It's going to be a lot of work getting the soil ready for planting my seeds. I need to turn all the soil over. I need to get all the grass out, all the weeds out, and any big rocks, twigs, sieve all the soil and get it ready for my vegetables. It's a big job, so I've been putting it off, and it's really beautiful here now as well, so it's really difficult to do the work, but I'm going to get started now.